Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. This boat is powered by a Mercury 4-stroke engine. Here on the transom you'll see a stainless steel boarding ladder. As you come through the boat, you'll notice this one does have the stainless steel bimini top with the sunbrella canvas. Does have stainless steel railing throughout the inside of the boat. This is the light blue hull color with the black graphics. Coming up forward, you'll have your forward anchor locker for storage, LED light up front. As we come around here at the helm, you'll have your light switch on and off, 12-volt plug, throttle. This does have the dash application with the Boston Whaler, and you have lockable storage inside the console. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.